All right, so pretty loud. These 5-bladed gem fan props have a different sound profile. It's not as annoying. The 3-bladed gem fans are a little bit more annoying, but they sound about... The loudness is about the same. So I'm just going to show you the GoPro footage here. I'll link the air unit footage as a separate video file. And I think most of you guys are interested in how the GoPro footage looks like on the Cinewhoops, because that's basically the end product. Looks like it flies fine. There's no wind right now. It's pretty calm. Pretty bright out right now. I'm just kind of going slow, cruising here. These aren't really meant for racing or acro. See, I can do low to the ground here. Okay, it's got good control. Sometimes you get low to the ground, it acts kind of weird from the ground effect from the prop wash, but not too bad. I don't know what firmware is on here. I just do what I usually do, charge up the batteries, bound up the receiver to my Tango 2, set the modes up, and go and fly it. So this is a out-of-the-box experience you're seeing here, as typical on my channel. Obviously you can customize the tune and everything if you'd like, but that's a huge rabbit hole. Don't see too much shaking. You guys can look at the air unit footage if you want. Just a tiny bit of shake, not too bad. Yeah, you get really close to the ground there, it starts acting a little strange. But yeah, it's fairly loud. I'm pretty far away here, and it's you can still hear it. Right now there's no one around. I think that's why a lot of people complain about these Cinewhoops. I mean, carry GoPro around, all that extra weight, even though it has 1507 motors, it's still pretty loud. All right, let's go a little faster. Still at 21.7 volts, almost 3.5 minutes of flight. Yeah, so with the GoPro Hero 8 with Hyper Smooth on, it's going to be pretty smooth anyway. No real steady go. I don't think you really need it for this. If you want, you can, of course, but then you have to turn Hyper Smooth off. Use real steady go in the footage. I'm running a 1050 6S LiPo. Could probably run like a 1300 6S if you want to have more flight time. You can definitely carry the weight. And I'm at about 4 minutes of flight time here. About 3.5 volts per cell. And I think I'm coming to the end of the battery here, 21.1 volts. Yeah, I think we're coming to the end here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Talk to you guys later.